If you have Alcantara seats in your car, over time the seats can get a bit bobbly and the surface gets a bit uneven, as in my Audi A3. There are two parts of the technique that I use to clean them. First of all is to use a disposable razor and gradually take that over the surface, and it will take off the worst of the bobbles. The next stage is then to use some sandpaper. In between, I hoovered the seat to get the worst of the debris off, and it then made it a lot easier to see what's underneath. The next stage is to use some 600 grit or thereabouts wet and dry paper and rub that over the surface, which will remove the remaining bobbling effect and smooth the seat surface back down. And you'll be able to see in the final pictures how it looks once both of these techniques have been used across the seat. What I'd suggest though is trying it in an unobtrusive place on the seat so that you can assure yourself that it's not going to damage the surface of your seats. Like I say, it worked on my Audi A3, but I can't guarantee the result.